have an intern in the water. I repeat, intern in the water. It's one of our divers. It's George! Swim! Nope, George ain't swimming. Well, he sure had a lot of guts to be out there all by himself, and there they all are, spraying all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna be safe, but let's pull a little bit further. Yes, a little bit further. We should be safe behind this really highly flammable dock made completely out of wood. Okay, they sent some extra bait just in case this happened. Let's see if they take, oh, I spoke too soon. Wow, that is a strong shark. That gasoline hose is going crazy. Remain seated in car 2 for me, please. Remain seated. Y'all crazy, y'all standing. There's a shark out and about. Remain seated in car 2, please. Oh my goodness. Jeez, we just cannot catch a break. Remain seated, please. I do not want to have to stop this tram. I will stop this tram. But let's please remain seated. It is for your safety and those around you. Makes everybody's jobs easier, okay? Alrighty. But that is a local celebrity here on our tour, everyone. Don't worry, he's an actor. His name is Bruce. Nickname Bruce Ever Steven Spielberg's lawyer Bruce. And here on our tour, he works every